Today we have a women on a farm harvesting rest. They are singing, celebrating for the harvest. And we have them. They are harvesting. We have about 20 plus pricing while harvesting the rest. They are harvesting. You see them? They are harvesting. Very tedious work. This is a tedious work. This is a very tedious work. This is a very tedious work. This is a very tedious work. They are harvesting 20 plus women. Yes. Well, thank you very much for the work. Yes. They are harvesting the rice. About 23 pricing. Here today. Fine. Hard working. Women, this is very tedious work. And these are the men that can tie the bundle of rice. And you see this man is tying. Thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah, these are the men. This is a rope they use to bundle the rice. You see the man is standing, and this is why when they bundle the rice, this is how it look like. And then you see them. This is the rice now. They are bundled. So we can retire. Yeah. Yes. Oh, great. We are all working, very hard working people. Thank you very much.